we are facing now is soil extinction. In most countries, more than 50% of the topsoil is already gone. Every responsible scientist in the world is clearly saying by 2045, we will be producing 40% less food and our populations will be 9.2 billion. It is foolish to think that only the poor in the world will be affected. No, it will affect every human being on the planet because civilizations will collapse, civil wars will unfold once there is food shortage. This is not just about us, because we are already using the soil of the unborn child. This is a terrible world that we are envisioning for ourselves and we are creating, but this can be turned around. This is why the Save Soil movement, to bring about a policy change to regenerate soil in 192 democratic nations. As a part of this, I'm 65 and I'm riding 30,000 kilometers to activate support in regenerating soil. From 21st of March for 100 days, the whole world should talk soil. Be a part of this and let us make it happen.